Hey guys, I just ended the stream like 3 minutes ago, and then the lights went off, so the whole building is shut down. But my Wi-Fi is working, and my computer is working. So it's still working, but the lights are off. And I was planning on going to my parents' house after this, but I'm kind of scared to go out now. It's so dark. Can you see? It's just 6:40. It's super dark. Did you see the lightning? So yeah, I don't really have anything to do now, so I thought I'll just do the tour that you wanted, but with no lights, okay? And I'm sorry if the sound of the rain is loud, but yeah. Okay, let's do the room tour. And I don't know how to switch the camera, so I'll just do it like this. Okay, that's where I study. Wait, I'll move my chair. This is where I study. I literally just ended the live, and there was a sound of explosion, like something exploded, poof, and the lights just went off. So yeah, I think it's the thing I told you. Remember last time I told you guys so that something exploded? I think it happened again. So yeah, this is where I study. This was the crown that I was wearing just now. That's my computer. And I have my laptop here. I use them side by side, but I use this mostly. But this one doesn't have like Microsoft Word. It doesn't have the Microsoft software. So when I need to type some assignment, I usually use Google Docs here. But if not, I use this laptop to do my assignments. And what else? I wish I knew how to turn the camera. I'm sorry if it's blurry. It's no lights. Okay. This is my fish tank. You guys know her. You guys have seen her so many times. Can you see her? She doesn't have a name yet. But doesn't she look like a tiger? She has blue fins and like tiger-ish. So yeah, if you guys have any recommendation for the name, type it below in the comments. Alright, I'll show you my other fish tank. I hope you don't mind the close up. I don't have like the stand yet. Okay, that's my other fish tank. Up and down. You guys can see. These are called zebra danios. They're my favorite type of fish. They're super energetic and super lively. They're hungry right now. I haven't feed them yet. And I have another fish too in there, but he's probably hiding. It's a catfish. Okay, let me find him. And I don't think I'll edit the video, guys. I don't know how to edit it, and I don't have time to edit it too. It's just gonna be a one take. Okay, I found the fish. Can you see him? He's in the tunnel. I don't think you guys can see it. It's okay, I'll show you next time. What else do you guys want to see? That's my backpack. This is the sofa that I never use. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't have anything to show you guys. My room is a big mess. Unless you want to see like my messy bedroom. That's my bed. Look at all the blankets. I sleep with 3 blankets, guys. I don't know, I just like heavy blankets. Like, but there's something called weighted blankets, right? But yeah, I just use 3 blankets instead. It makes me feel like I'm being hugged at night. Kind of like it. Yeah. So yeah, it's a big mess. And I have this TV, but it does not work. It's not plugged in because I don't really watch the TV, and I don't want it to work, otherwise I'll be watching TV all day. So it's just there for the just like that, and other stuff. Okay, I don't know what else to show you guys. Let me see. I do have like a crystal collection. I can show you guys that next time. Okay, yeah. I think that's it for the video. I'm sorry if it's like if the rain is too loud. And yeah, I'll just post it like this. Okay, see you guys on Monday, okay? Bye-bye.